So right off the bat, I really like how seamless the transition is from electric power off the start to going into a hybrid mode. There's no jerking or jolting, anything like that. It's just a smooth transition. So for me, the Insight is one of the more practical cars I've driven, just because, I mean, you can get upper 40s in terms of fuel mileage out of these. And especially in a touring like this, you have every amenity you could want: navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, even a sunroof. And then add the adaptive cruise and the lane keeping assist, and this is a long road trip warrior here. And this one, it's good coming around the corner. It's not as good as the new Civic is, but I wouldn't expect that from a car like this. You want this to be nice, practical, and getting 40+ miles per gallon city and highway. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the sport mode anyway to see how it does. And the pickup in sport mode is actually quite impressive. Really, really nice. And honestly, the visibility is pretty good, even though this is slanted in the back. Kind of like the Camaros are, you don't have as bad of a blind spot, and the blind spot monitors do help quite a bit. But we're gonna put it in the EV mode, take the sport mode off. So we're going to take it on the interstate now. And it actually did a pretty good job just using EV power. So that's the lane keep as well as the adaptive cruise. doing a pretty good job. So that's the car braking. I'm not touching the brake pedal or the gas pedal at all. A pretty safe distance with just 2 gaps there. And a really good brake pedal feel too. Especially for a vehicle that has regenerative braking on it. And I like how I'm actually able to somewhat accelerate without the gasoline engine automatically kicking on. But this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2022 Honda Insight Touring.